instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Fica frio na barriga, tudo isso me lembra a cena de filme. O instinto selvagem que invade a sensação de perigo nos define. Celeste divino merece no seu corpo.
NowLight gives you access to instant light and power, whatever the weather, wherever you are. We've created a really simple, easy and efficient way of generating renewable power, using you, anytime. We all take access to instant light and power for granted. But what do you do for a light and a power outage? How do you charge your phone when camping? And how about the 1 in 7 people who do not have access to electricity? This is why we've created NowLight, a renewable source of light and power ready whenever you need it.
Current renewable energy solutions are either solely dependent on the sun or rely on inefficient and awkward manual charging. We knew we could develop a better solution.
We've spent years working on the optimum way to harness human power. NowLight combines a highly efficient dynamo with cutting-edge battery technology. Just 1 second of manual charging provides a whole minute of light. We're excited to introduce NowLight, letting you generate light and power instantly. To get started, just hook up NowLight. Pull once to turn on and keep pulling to charge. Just 1 minute of pulling generates an hour of light. If the sun's shining, attach the 3-watt solar panel to charge up your NowLight. NowLight has 5 brightness levels, from night light to an ultra bright light, and the live power display adapts to the amount of power you're using. And NowLight can even charge your devices. Just plug in your phone or any other USB-powered device. With an additional satellite, you can also spread light around a room or use it as a task light. Our team of innovators and experienced product designers are driven by the desire to develop affordable, renewable solutions that can empower people worldwide.
Just as we developed gravity light to replace dangerous and polluting kerosene lamps, we're doing the same but better with NowLight. We're building partnerships worldwide to enable us to reach off-grid homes with clean, safe and affordable power. And you can help us do that. Through this campaign, we're partnering with the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies to distribute and test NowLights with families in need in Rwanda's refugee camps.
Our team has spent years developing NowLight, and now we've perfected it and it's ready to go. We need your support to help us fund the tooling and the first production run. We can't wait to hear how you use yours.
Two years ago, I got my food science degree from Cornell University. As a real foodie, I enjoy cooking, try growing my own herbs. But it was so hard for me, and then I realized a lot of people have the same issue. To solve this problem, my friends and I spent a whole year to develop this machine, Naturebox.
As a botanist, I believe decentralization will also happen in agriculture field. To control the grow environment, the hydroponic technique and other soilless cultivation methods are combined in Naturebox. Currently, we are applying patents for the growth matrix we developed.
As an industrial designer, I have developed the inner structure of the product and also an application in your cell phone, so you can easily control your plants in a more accurate and accessible way.
As an interior designer, I designed the product look to fit it into the home environment. And I tried these herbs. They are way more flavorful than the ones you see in the market.
Now we finished the R&D process for Naturebox, and it's just 1 step away from mass production. All we need is your support.
We spend almost 90% of our time indoors. Losing touch with the environment combined with a busy lifestyle will not only affect your performance but also your well-being. Being close to nature is good for your mental and physical health. Enhance your lifestyle by creating a living space that is soothing to be in. the EcoGarden uses a 1,000-year-old growing method to do just that. With its own self-sustaining ecosystem, this miniature greenhouse is capable of growing herbs and vegetables all year round. It combines aquaculture and hydroponics in a symbiotic environment. The fish waste provides an organic food source for the plants, while the ecosystem naturally filters the water, which is recirculated back to the fish. No soil or chemical fertilizers and completely pesticide-free. Your fish and herbs are constantly being monitored by multiple sensors, which are continuously uploading real-time data of your system's health. Receive live notifications about the status of your EcoGarden and track the progress of your plants. Feed your fish and control your garden remotely, right from the palm of your hand. With a team of engineers and support from experts, we have been working for the past year and a half on developing the EcoGarden. Using state-of-the-art LED grow lights and integrated sensors, we have made growing fun and easy and extremely simple to set up and maintain. No green thumb or toolbox required.
You don't have to rely on your neighbors to take care of your fish or water your plants. The system does it for you. Hey Google, talk to EcoGarden. I want to feed my fish.
Your fish have been fed. What would you like to do next?
Just fill the EcoGarden with water, add your fish, place your grow medium, plant the seeds, and connect with nature. Don't let your busy schedule stop you from spending time with those you care for the most. Enjoy growing in a calm and relaxing environment and be part of the whole growing process from seed to harvest. Place your garden anywhere you want. It fills out any room and creates a living and harmonic environment. Feel good about going away for a few days, knowing that your system will take care of itself. With smart light sensors, the EcoGarden will automatically adjust the brightness to make sure your plants thrive with the best efficiency and yield possible. With the app, you control everything wherever you are. Your EcoGarden is always connected to your Wi-Fi, which allows you to check the status in real time or the analytics and much more. Rethink the way we grow food and experience the beauty of growing smarter. Help us create a better and more sustainable world for future generations, one person at a time.
We are ready for production, but we need your help. Join us on this journey and be part of a growing community. Please support us and back our project. Thank you.
Lumir K is an easy, accessible, and sustainable lamp. All you need is a few drops of cooking oil to light up. Imagine you're out in nature or a campsite without a single light. Well, your rechargeable lamp is running out of the battery. So, what is your plan B for such situations? Let's take it a little further. How about 1.2 billion population in the world who do not have access to electricity? What would they do? That's why we came up with Lumir K. Just grab a cooking oil anywhere you can find. It's easier to spot one than you would expect, like your home, in the backpack for camping, and even in off-grid areas where you have no access to light. It doesn't even matter what kind of cooking oil is. Olive, canola, and palm oil, literally any oil you fetch. Fill up the container with cooking oil, light the wick, and put the lamp over it. In 2 minutes, it will light up the bright and adjustable LED light. Super easy. Lumir K is efficient. It lasts an hour with just 5 ml of cooking oil. It's a perfect size that you can store anywhere without taking a huge space. So it will be there for you on emergency. And Lumir K is sustainable as its life is 10 years. After we launched our candle-powered lamp back in 2016, we strive to develop a more practical and efficient lamp. Now, Lumir is reaching out to various regions for those who need light so that they can make their day longer. With the light of Lumir K, mothers can make a living even after sunset, and kids can study to brighten up their future. Your Lumir K will keep their lives going after sunset. We can't wait for how you will use yours. And with your support, Lumir K can present a more powerful light to the world. Together, we can make a difference. Let's light up the world.
Meet the GoSun Fusion, a solar-powered oven without compromise. Safe to touch, even when cooking above 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the GoSun Fusion can bake, boil, or fry many dishes in as little as 20 minutes. Or cook anytime with its patented high-efficiency electric heating element, using the same amount of energy as this light bulb. Now with 25,000 customers, we're aiming to make fuel-free cooking more reliable and affordable than ever. GoSun Fusion lets you do the cooking at a fraction of the power and a fraction of the fuss, giving you the freedom to do the things you love, to feed those you care for, and to cook off-grid without gas. GoSun welcomes you to the fuel-free frontier.